How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian, and in today's video we got something exciting. Apple is confirming that they are developing a vehicle. Repeat, Apple is targeting car production by 2024 and is obviously working on the next level battery technology, and they want to be autonomous and they want to compete against Tesla. This is huge news. An Apple car has been speculated for the last couple of years, and now it is being cited that it's true. Apple stock has gone crazy. Today it traded very strongly, as low as 123.57, and I believe you're not going to see that price tag for a good while now, because now it's at 131.50 in the after hours and trading strong. A lot of buying is still happening at this current moment in the after hours. Look at that, another 20 cents up. Damn, Apple is unstoppable. It just keeps going up and up. We're witnessing history right here. This is taking it to the next leg up. This is certainly going to be another huge catalyst to light the fuel that Apple is going to overtake its all-time high of 137.98. It's on its way. It's on a nice, steady, clean upwards trend, and I have been predicting Apple already at 140. With this, I can easily say 145. I was thinking, maybe by February, and that still seems to be the case, but if not, it might be sooner. With this huge catalyst of the Apple car, now the next zone is going to be 129.50 to 135. We might even see 135 by the end of this week. By December 25th, I would not be surprised. And by the end of the year, close to all-time highs, if not surpassing it on the spot with a huge Santa Claus rally. But this is very exciting news. My technical analysis does not have to be revisited 100%. We have been in an upwards trend. If you haven't gone onto Apple, what are you doing? Why have you not got any Apple? We were already on our way to 140 even without this, but this catalyst of the Apple car, which is that what it's going to be called, is taking it to 140 and above. We got so many things going on right now in the markets. It's a crazy time to be alive. The stimulus deal should be passed. Congress better have approved it by now, hopefully. What the heck are they doing? So if you're gonna get some stimulus money, make sure to buy some Apple. I would really recommend it because it's Apple. Like, you gotta own some. 132. We just hit 132 in just this little time span that we were speaking. Gosh, anything else? I don't know what else to say other than good luck. Congratulations to those who own Apple. 140, 145 is the next profit target. We're heading that way. Easily January, we're gonna hit it. Upwards trend. Apple looking strong. See you at 140.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, bottom dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.